Tom and his friend Jack are playing together. Jack brings out his favorite toy car and hands it to Tom. "Be careful with it," Jack says. Tom zooms the car across the floor, but, uh-oh, it slips from his hands and crashes into the wall. The car breaks into several pieces. Jack's smile disappears. "Oh no, you broke my car," Jack says, his voice shaky. Tom's stomach feels tight. He didn't mean to break the toy, but now Jack is upset. Tom only wants to run away. What should he do? Tom remembers what his mom told him before. When we make a mistake, saying sorry can help fix things. Tom takes a deep breath. He knows the right thing to do. Tom looks at Jack and says, "I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to break your car. I know it was special to you." Jack still looks sad, but he sees that Tom really means it. "It was my favorite," Jack says. Tom picks up the broken pieces. "Let's fix it together," he says. They ask an adult for some glue and carefully put the toy back together. Piece by piece, the car starts to look good again. Jack nods. "Okay, let's try." Tom feels relieved. Saying sorry didn't change what happened, but it made Jack feel better. Tom learns that saying sorry helps friendships stay strong.